Come on, Marshy.
Hey, sweet pup.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Taking a picture of fascinating kitty.
Guess what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna go pick up Maria. You wanna come with me?
I will be here and sleep with this guy.
Okay. No computer, babe.
I know. Until I put my clothes away.
Right.
Deal?
So, yes. And
Actually, deal.
and then maybe you and Maria can watch a movie or something. I'm gonna take this.
Actually,
And when I come back.
Actually, I have movies on my Netflix on my cover.
Okay. All right.
Actually, dude.
Okay. Well, when I come back with Maria, we'll talk about it. Okay?
Wait, what's that sound?
Yeah.
What's that sound?
What's that? Oh, that's my phone going off.
He stole my Chromebook. Hi.